Hey crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin, and today we're discussing Argentina and El Salvador accepting and adopting Bitcoin at the same time. They continue adopting it on the country level, and we are also getting a lot of adoptions on the based US as ETFs and banks accepting it. So we are going to talk about all of that in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's start. So, Argentina to embrace Bitcoin for contracts. Argentina is set to embrace Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for contractual settlements and payments, marking a significant shift in the country's economic and financial landscape. Diana Mondino, Argentina's Minister of Foreign Affairs, International Trade and Warships, has indicated that a recent decree aimed at economic reform and deregulation will encompass the use of Bitcoin and other digital currencies under specific conditions. This development reflects Argentina's progressive stance on digital assets and its commitment to economic innovation and modernization. The basis for the reconstruction of the Argentina economy decree passed on the December 20th broadens the scope of permissible currencies for contractual obligations, including those not recognized as a legal tender in Argentina. This move positions Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as viable options for settling contracts alongside traditional and unconventional units of account, a new era of economic flexibility. So the decree signifies a new era of economic flexibility and adaptability in Argentina. According to Minister Mondino, the decree allows for the settlement of contracts in Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, and even non-traditional units like liters of milk or steers. This versatile approach to currency usage for contract demonstrates Argentina's willingness to embrace diverse and innovative economic practices, as Article 1196 of the decree explicitly grants parties the liberty to specify the currency type and amount for bonds or security deposits, and as well as the reimbursement method upon the lease conclusion. Although the decree primarily refers to foreign currencies and it does not explicitly exclude cryptocurrencies, thereby implicitly allowing their use. Impact of President Javier Milei policies on Argentina. The election of President Javier Milei, known as for his market-friendly stance, has been a catalyst for this progressive shift towards the crypto adoption in Argentina, and Mondino's appointment as a foreign minister and the subsequent decree are in line with Milei's vision for Argentina's economic overhaul, facing pressing inflation issues, as Milei's administration has actively sought solutions to stabilize and revitalize the Argentine economy. As the economic decree follows President Milei's national address, where he outlined measures to tackle Argentina's economic challenges, as his reference to Bitcoin as the movement towards the return of money to its original creator, the private sector, underscores his administration's positive outlook on the digital assets. And while he has not publicly commented on the digital assets since taking office, his administration's actions indicate a strong inclination towards embracing cryptocurrencies, and in essence, Argentina's decision to legalize the use of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for contracts and payments marks a significant milestone in the country's economic policy, as this move not only positions Argentina as a leader in a digital asset adoption, but also reflects a broader shift in global attitudes and towards cryptocurrency. As the world increasingly recognizes the potential of digital currencies, the country's pioneering approach could serve as a model for other nations looking to modernize their economic systems. With this decree, Argentina steps into a future where digital currencies play a crucial role in economic transactions, signaling a new era of financial innovation and flexibility. El Salvador to grant citizenship to foreign Bitcoin investors. As El Salvador has passed a new law to grant citizenship to foreign Bitcoin investors, the country's Congress approved a migration law granting expatriate citizenship to foreigners who make Bitcoin donations to government, social, and economic development programs. So the law is expected to come to fruition in the next few days. And the country legislature passed the reform late Wednesday evening with the support from President Nayib Bukele's New Ideas Party. The law does not cite any minimum donation requirement, and with Bukele aiming for re-election in February's election, the Salvadoran official aims to further develop the country's Bitcoin project. El Salvador is one of the most Bitcoin-forward countries in South America, and in 2021 the country established Bitcoin as a national currency, as however countrywide implementation is still a work in progress. As furthermore, the new citizenship reform cites altruistic foreigners interested in supporting the economic, social, and cultural development of El Salvador by donating Bitcoin. So the reform says that those who qualify would skip the normal requirement for the naturalization process of 5 years of a permanent residence for anyone from a non-Spanish speaking country. And on December 11th, El Salvador's National Bitcoin Office revealed that the country's volcano bond was greenlit by the nation's Digital Asset Commission. On BTC expects the bond will launch in Q1 2024 and further push plans for the country's Bitcoin city. Next on is that 30 trillion influx into Ether, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Shiba Inu predicted after spot Bitcoin ETF approval next month. As a Grayscale CEO, Michael Sonnenschein is optimistic that approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF could trigger a significant inflow of funds into the cryptocurrency market. Speaking during a CNBC interview on Monday, Sonnenschein noted that the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States could unlock around 30 trillion worth of advised wealth, and he emphasized that the untapped source could flow into the crypto market, marking a significant shift in the landscape for cryptos such as Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Shiba Inu. And we're really talking about the advised market here in the US, and which is today about the 30 trillion worth of advised wealth that we hope for approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, and the uplisting of a GBTC will allow for that opportunity and for those investors to partake in it as well, he said. Also, we got the major Shiba Inu announcement that can cause both Bitcoin and Shiba Inu bull run. As Shiba Inu recently revealed a collaboration with the D3 Global to launch its top-level domain, despite the innovation move aimed at strengthening its presence in the mainstream. The value of Shiba remains in a downtrend. Experts are hoping to see a bull run in the crypto market entering the new year, with this announcement hopefully pushing Shiba Inu specifically. And the latest collaboration involves cooperation with the Internet Corporation and assigned names and numbers and as a non-profit organization overseeing various facets of the internet. So after an announcement, Shiba Inu remained down over the past week, trading at the 10 digits at the price time, and over the weekend Shiba exhibited heightened volatility, surging by 23% on December 16th, only to experience a subsequent 14% decline from its peak on December 17th. In terms of potential bull run for the crypto market, the current bearish market will unlikely be affected too much by the latest Shiba Inu announcement, and more than likely the next crypto bull run will come when the SEC approves a spot Bitcoin ETF, which experts expect to come sometime in Q1 2024. Otherwise, Shiba will likely remain bearish to close out 2023, even though the news were massive. That's all we got for today's video on the Bitcoin, and if you are interested in more videos on the daily basis, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more updates. See you in the next one, and peace.